This videos. Before knowing more about the aircraft science, let us start by defining the four most frequently used words in the aircraft science. So the first one is the pressure, density, temperature, and the flow velocity. As we all learned about these four basic terms from our school days, now I'm going to just recall you about these four terms and how it is being related to aircraft science. So let us know what is pressure and how it is related to aircraft science. As soon as I say pressure, the exact definition which comes into your mind is force per unit area, which means smaller the area in which the force acts, the greater will be the impact. And my question is, do we need any solid surface area to identify pressure? The answer is no, because even though it is a force per unit area, consider a force applied to any solid substance as well as a fluid substance, there will be some amount of pressure will be acting. So the exact definition of pressure is, as an aircraft science student, you must say is pressure is the normal force per unit area exerted on the surface due to the time rate of change of momentum of gas molecules impacting on or crossing that surface. So to explain this definition, consider an example. So from this definition, let us imagine an aircraft is kept stable in the air or atmosphere, and the air molecules are moving freely around the aircraft body. Now consider a small air molecule in it. This small air molecule will try to impact on the aircraft surface and cross the surface. Due to this impacting or crossing the aircraft surface, there is some rate of change in momentum of the gas molecule. Due to this rate of change in momentum, the force is exerted on the aircraft surface and the pressure is experienced. So, what is momentum? Momentum is nothing but the quantity that decides the difficulty in stopping a body. This momentum, which is the product of mass into velocity. So, hope you would understood what is pressure.